Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on the channel. Today we're going to go over how to remove the audio in Adobe Premiere Pro. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on the channel. I'm Jack.F, I produce weekly content on videography and video editing, and if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned and subscribe to the channel, check out some of the videos. So jumping straight to this, how to remove the actual audio from a clip in Adobe Premiere Pro 2021. So what we're doing here is I did a little Gordon Ramsay compilation for one of my new projects in college, university I mean. So literally all you do is, as you see here, I go mad and I go, where's the lamb sauce, like Gordon Ramsay does. And all we're going to do is right click, and then where it says here unlink, we're going to literally select it and hit the back key, the little arrow, the delete key. And then there you go, yeah, it has disappeared. But what, say we want to do a certain part of the audio, we're going to unlink it again, but this time we're just going to cut here. And then as you see, we've just got the audio cut. The visuals is still intact, and then all you can do is just delete it and it's gone. Anyway guys, that's just been a quick little video on the channel on how to remove a certain part or the entire audio from a visual track in Adobe Premiere Pro. So if you like what you see here, subscribe to the channel, and if you want to support the channel and creation of future content, go buy me a coffee, link in the description. And if you want to learn the basics of Adobe Premiere Pro and you want me to help you out, check that video playlist up there, goes over all of the basics like foundational knowledge of Adobe Premiere Pro, so you can move into more advanced stuff. Anyway guys, I hope you like this video. It's been Jack.F and I'll see you on the next video.